Meaning of icebox.
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 Icebox. The word icebox has several meanings, depending on the context of its usage. One meaning refers to a container that is used to keep food and drinks cold, usually filled with ice or powered by electricity. In software development, icebox is a term used to describe a repository where ideas or tasks are placed for future consideration or implementation. This could include features, bugs, or user stories that may not be scheduled for immediate development. Overall, icebox refers to a cold storage place, either literal or figurative, where something is put aside for later use or consideration.